Do you see this mixer? This is a KitchenAid stand mixer. This thing is fantastic. We use it all the time. See that bread? I use this to make that bread. We make homemade bread here 2-3 times a week instead of buying it at the store. It's better, it's cheaper, it's better for you. And so we use this stand mixer all the time. In fact, yesterday when I was making this bread, I ran into a problem with the mixer. It's not the mixer's fault. It's my fault. I must have done something. I can't get this dough hook off. And it was driving me crazy. I figured out why. You see here, you probably can't really see it too well, but the way that this dough hook attaches, it's banging into something, right? And it won't come off. And so what happened is I must have bent the metal inside there a little bit, and just a tiny little bit, and it's there's like a little piece of metal sticking out of this dough hook, and it's banging into this little metal piece, preventing it from sliding over and popping out. So I need to get like a little file, or just maybe even like a screwdriver or something, and just kind of bend that little part back. Anyways, this is user error. I did something to damage the dough hook. I've had this dough hook like for years and years and years, never had a problem, but I must have done something to cause a little bit of a little piece of metal sticking off of it. So it's going to be an easy fix, but that's what happened. But overall, freaking love this stand mixer. As I said, use it all the time. If you do not have a KitchenAid stand mixer in your house, you really need to get one. Unless, of course, you don't do any cooking at all, then that would be a wasted purchase. But if you do any cooking, you need one of these. And they come in all different shapes and sizes and colors. I like black. I am partial to black. But any color you want, virtually, they have lots of different colors. So there's going to be a size and a color. Oh, and by the way, see this thing? You can put all sorts of attachments there. We have several of them, but we have a pasta maker. There's ice cream makers and meat grinders and all kinds of stuff. I mean, this is the most versatile piece of kitchen equipment, in my opinion, there is, and you really need to get one. I will put a link in the description below so that you could look into these stand mixers yourself. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.